Alright guys, today I will show you how to record videos on your laptop or PC using a free built-in Windows screen recording feature. First, turn on your laptop or PC and navigate to the area where you want to start your recording. Now press the Windows key together with Shift and R. This opens the Windows snipping tool, which we need. In the snipping tool, you can take basic screenshots as well as record a video. At the top of your screen, select either picture mode or video mode. Next, choose the area you want to record. If you want to record the entire screen, just highlight the whole screen area or simply click on the full screen option. Before you start recording, you can select your microphone to record sound. You can also mute or unmute your computer sounds, which can be helpful. Sometimes they're necessary, but at other times they can be distracting and worth turning off. Once you've set everything up, click the start button. This will begin a 3-second countdown, after which the recording will start. When you're done with your recording, you can either click on the pause icon to continue later or click on the stop icon to finish the recording. A new window will open, allowing you to trim the recorded video. When you're ready, choose where to save the video by clicking the Save As icon in the top right corner. Name your video and select the location where you want to save it. Finally, click Save to save your video to the chosen folder. And don't forget, you can use the same feature to take screenshots. If you found this useful, please consider liking this video.